Right, so we've got to Tim's house. The car's here. Let's hope Tim's home. Let's see. Timmy!
Oh my god.
What are we gonna give me?
Oh my god.
How you doing, mate?
Good, bro. Yourself?
Good, I'm sure. Tim?
Tim.
Who are you guys?
Sophia.
Nice to meet Isaac.
And my wife, Lisa.
Nice to meet you. Hello. Good stuff, mate.
Oh my god.
This is it.
Beautiful.
Check it out, mate. Check it out. It's all yours.
Is this real? Is this?
Touch it, touch it. Oh, feels real.
I nearly jumped out the front window.
Yeah.
You buy a ticket and you think, oh yeah, I'm 1 in a million. And then, yeah, that's real. It's real. Here it is.
It's real. It's in your driveway.
Tough
space for it in the garage.
Yeah, I do. Yeah. I'll kick the wife's car out and yeah, this is going in. Thank you so much, man.
Mate.
Tough Streeters. You guys make dreams come true.
Oh, that's what we're here for, you know.
Yeah, because no way in the world you could I could possibly build something like this. I only bought the tickets for this car because it's like
That's
a beauty.
smoke.
Oh my days.
That's an engine.
That is definitely
That is
an engine.
Yeah, I was at work and I thought, you know, I saw it come up, and then you had the dollar, and I thought, yeah, I'll do the $30, and then
Yeah.
I could not believe it. Then when we were watching the live, and I thought, yeah, and I saw the roll, all the names, the guys pushed his hand through it, and then when you said Tim, I was like, nah, no way. And then and I said, you know what, I said to my wife, I said, if my phone rings while he's doing this live feed, that's it, I don't know what to do. Then it rang, and I was like, this is not real.
That was it.
Yeah, guys, mate, you make dreams come true. Like,
Yeah.
oh yes. Oh, wow.
Well,
What the heck is that?
Oh my god.
how's it feel, mate?
Top of the world.
Top of the world?
Top of the world.
Well, congratulations, man.
Thank you so much. You guys are legends. Holy smoke. Wow. Oh, that is touchy.
It is, isn't it? All right, Tim, so you've got your car, your new baby. You've got a few babies around here, though, but I'm sure this one's going to be a treasured one for you.
Yeah, this is a good one.
It's a good one?
Yeah.
I love this one. It's
You love
the
this one?
best car ever.
Mate, well, thanks for supporting us.
No,
You know,
thank you, man.
Thanks
Like,
for-
you guys are absolute legends, and you make dreams come true. So buy tickets, get involved, just because I never thought in a million years this would happen. But yeah, this is real. This is unreal. Like,
This is sexy.
it is sexy.
It's
Yeah.
really sexy.
we'll see you around, hopefully.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Tuff.
So easy.
There we go.